How to control diabetes with diet. Introduction. Managing diabetes through diet is a crucial aspect of overall diabetes management. Making healthy food choices can help regulate blood sugar levels, improve insulin sensitivity, and prevent complications associated with diabetes. In this video, we'll explore practical strategies and dietary recommendations to effectively control diabetes. Understanding diabetes and diet. Before diving into specific dietary recommendations, it's essential to understand how different foods affect blood sugar levels. Carbohydrates have the most significant impact on blood sugar, followed by proteins and fats. Monitoring carbohydrate intake and choosing high-fiber, nutrient-dense foods are key components of a diabetes-friendly diet. Practical dietary strategies. Focus on whole foods. Emphasize whole, minimally processed foods such as fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. These foods are rich in vitamins, minerals, and fiber, which are beneficial for managing blood sugar levels. Monitor carbohydrate intake. Pay attention to portion sizes and carbohydrate content in meals. Opt for complex carbohydrates with a low glycemic index, GI, such as whole grains, legumes, and non-starchy vegetables, which are digested more slowly and have a gradual impact on blood sugar levels. Balanced meals. Aim for balanced meals that include a combination of carbohydrates, protein, and healthy fats. This balance helps prevent rapid spikes or drops in blood sugar levels. For example, pair whole grain toast with avocado and scrambled eggs for breakfast. Or enjoy a salad with grilled chicken and olive oil dressing for lunch. Choose healthy snacks. Plan for healthy snacks between meals to prevent overeating and maintain steady blood sugar levels. Opt for snacks that combine protein and fiber, such as Greek yogurt with berries, raw vegetables with hummus, or a handful of nuts. Limit added sugars and refined carbs. Minimize consumption of sugary beverages, desserts, and processed foods that are high in added sugars and refined carbohydrates. These foods can cause rapid spikes in blood sugar levels and should be enjoyed in moderation. Portion control. Use portion control techniques such as measuring cups, food scales, or visual cues to manage portion sizes and prevent overeating. This helps regulate calorie intake and stabilize blood sugar levels. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water throughout the day to stay hydrated and support overall health. Limit sugary drinks and opt for water, herbal tea, or infused water with lemon or cucumber. Include diabetes-friendly foods as follows. Bitter melon. Bitter melon, also known as bitter gourd, is a vegetable that may help lower blood sugar levels due to its active compounds that mimic insulin. It can be incorporated into stir-fries, soups, or juiced with other vegetables. Guava. Guava is a low glycemic fruit rich in fiber and vitamin C, making it a suitable option for individuals with diabetes. Enjoy guava as a snack or add it to fruit salads or smoothies. Sprouts. Sprouts are a nutrient-dense food that provides vitamins, minerals, and enzymes. They have a low glycemic index and can be added to salads, sandwiches or stir-fries for added texture and nutrition. Hung curd. Hung curd, also known as Greek yogurt, is a rich source of protein and probiotics, which can aid in blood sugar management and gut health. Enjoy hung curd with fresh fruit, nuts, or seeds as a nutritious snack or dessert option. Meal timing and regularity. Maintain regular meal times and spacing between meals to help stabilize blood sugar levels throughout the day. Aim for 3 balanced meals and 1 to 2 snacks per day, spaced evenly to avoid large fluctuations in blood sugar. Monitor and adjust. Regularly monitor blood sugar levels and track food intake to identify patterns and make necessary adjustments to your diet. Work with a registered dietitian or healthcare provider to develop a personalized meal plan that meets your individual needs. Lifestyle factors. In addition to diet, Prioritize other lifestyle factors such as regular physical activity, stress management, and adequate sleep, as these factors also play a role in managing diabetes. Conclusion: controlling diabetes with diet is achievable by making informed food choices, monitoring portion sizes, and maintaining a balanced eating pattern. By focusing on whole foods, limiting added sugars and refined carbs, and staying mindful of meal timing and regularity, individuals with diabetes can effectively manage their condition and improve their overall health and well-being. Remember to consult with a healthcare provider or registered dietitian for personalized guidance and support in managing diabetes through diet. Please subscribe to my channel for more informative videos related to health and well-being. Thanks for watching.